Texas Magnolia Home, and on my channel we do DIY projects, home decor hauls, and home renovation updates on our own personal fixer-upper here in South Texas. Now in today's video, I'm giving you guys the highest requested video here on my channel, which is a fixer-upper update, complete home tour. I'm gonna show you guys befores and afters and where our home is and showing you the entire transformation. And without further ado guys, let's get on into this video. Hey guys, come on in. Okay guys, so now we are finally able to give you guys a fixer-upper update, complete home tour. Now in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys some befores and afters of how the house transformed over this past year. And we're starting off here in our living room. Now the first thing that I want to show you guys is this area right here. There used to be a set of French doors going into a sitting room, but what I'll do is later on this video, I'll show you where the sitting room transformed to. Now on top of that, we had a dysfunctional fireplace that was behind this wall right here, and it made the room not symmetrical and didn't really have a way of making a sitting area and a place for our TV. So what we did is we closed in this fireplace, creating this huge accent board and batten wall, and this now allowed us to put a place for our couch. This is an antique butcher block, and then a seat right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a detailed room tour of each room in our house, but in this video I'm just trying to show y'all the befores and afters of our fixer-upper. We love it. Now what we did to accompany this is on this side we have our entertainment center, which houses our TV, surround sound, and then a big window that looks over Fifth Street. Now coming on this way, we're gonna go into the office. Now these are the original doors that we saved, as well as some beautiful original windows. Alright guys, now we are in the office, and this is one of the cool things I wanted to show you guys. These are actually old 1920s railroad car flooring that we refinished, and we made these free floating shelves, and also we made these dueling desk station built-in desks that actually looks over the side street that we live off of. So these we had refinished, built-in cabinets, and now we have this dueling desk station. Now you guys, I know y'all are going to ask me, what are our wall colors? So the wall color in this room is slate tile by Sherwin-Williams, and then all the other walls is going to be Repose Gray by Sherwin-Williams as well. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to show you is one of the largest transformations in the entire house. We made 3 rooms into one huge open concept kitchen and dining room. So basically before it was a dining room, then a butler's pantry, and then like a 10 by 10 tiny kitchen, and we just wanted a modern farmhouse interior type kitchen and dining room. So as we come in here, we have this really cute bookshelf that I picked up, and I have tons of different accent pieces, and like I said guys, I'm gonna have plenty of videos upcoming with details where all these products came from. So coming on in, now we have this dining room table, and it's just a very simple spring tablescape. You know, I'm gonna have an upcoming video on this as well. So talking about befores and afters, before the dining room stopped approximately right here, and it was a barrier wall, and then it had a doorway going into the butler's pantry. So this was one of the places where we blew out a wall. So coming in here, this would have been the butler's pantry, but now houses my giant kitchen island that I have always wanted. Now this kitchen island houses not only a beautiful farmhouse apron sink, but we have our dishwasher on the side, and then we have a built-in microwave over here. Okay guys, so this is where, on the back side of the island, this is where the butler's pantry used to be. But we needed to expand the walkway, so what we did is we took down the butler's pantry and had this shiplap wall. So what we are going to do is we are going to be having upcoming on my channel, so if you're not subscribed and you want to learn how to put up barn doors, is we're going to put up these 2 sliding doors on barn door hardware, and what it's actually going to do is hide the TV when we have guests, and then we will open it back up when we're doing dishes or whatever that we might do here in the kitchen. So coming off on this way, this was basically where the barrier wall was before going into the kitchen. So guys, can you imagine this was an entire kitchen? So what we wanted to do is create this huge pantry. So on this side is our pantry, and honestly guys, if you need some tips and tricks and ideas on how to organize your pantry, I have a video teaching you guys exactly where I got everything from, how to do this and style it. So this is our pantry, the other side is all of our glasses, and then it kind of surrounds our refrigerator. So coming on this way, we have approximately 23 linear feet of countertops and cabinets, then a 30-inch range. So guys, we have storage for days. So this is where we put our range, and we have a really cute chrome pot filler, and then we have this custom vent hood made. Coming on down here houses the rest of our cabinets, and this is just a lot of decor, guys. I told you guys that what I'm gonna do is an each room tour, so like a kitchen tour, dining room tour, living room tour, and bedroom tour. Alright guys, let's come on into the laundry room. So coming on into the laundry room, this actually I think used to be considered like a porch. There was a window right here and a window right here. So what we did is seal those off, added some more of these antique railroad car flooring, had them stained and refinished. And yeah, we're still wanting to get some ticking that actually matches this ticking curtain to kind of hide all of our utility cords. But we have basically just our washer and dryer and this beautiful faux brick floor down here on bottom. And coming back up on this side, we basically just have a housing for our hot water heater, water softener, and then some shelving. And then up top, we have our laundry baskets. Okay guys, now coming on into our master bedroom, what we were gonna do with this space, and we're probably gonna do it in the near future, is build a huge custom cabinet out of all the butler's pantry's doors that we saved, and we're gonna reuse them. But for time's sakes and money purposes, because we did go over budget, we just put a tall dresser here and some fun farmhouse accents. Now another cool thing that we did in this is where in the living room where we closed off the sitting room area, we reused these doors. And so basically this used to be a hallway into the next bedroom. But what we did is close that off and expanded it sideways and then put in these French doors, creating a closet. Now you guys, I know you can see our clothes right now. Like I said, the house is like 90-95% done. I'm actually gonna have a video on my channel teaching you guys how to frost glass doors. That way you can come into our bedroom, notice that it's a closet, but it's all blurred out and you don't see our clothes. Now coming off to this corner, I created this on a Facebook Live. It's basically using old shutters, and this is some of our wedding pictures, and I threw them on clipboards and hung them kind of off-centered. And then yeah, this is just a fun little nook. Now we're not finished decorating our room, but it's like 80% complete. I just didn't want to go out and rush and buy a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't really actually love. So it's getting there. There's gonna be plenty more decorating videos on my channel. Now coming off on this side, we have our master bedroom bed, which is a huge king size bed. And guys, it has been a game changer getting a king size bed. Off to the side, we have a wraparound porch. So this actually goes off to our front porch, which is really cool and convenient. And guys, here is the next part. It is our master bathroom. Alright guys, come on in. Now this room is my most favorite room. I put so much thought, hard work, sweat, blood, tears, everything else into this room. This used to be the sitting room that I was telling you guys about. So those closet doors that I just showed y'all used to be right here because they were basically French doors going from the living room into this sitting room. But guys, the house only had one bathroom. And I don't know about you guys, but if you have any size family, you guys know how important 2 bathrooms are. So we closed this off right here, reused the doors, and so what we did is we placed our toilet over here on the side and then made this huge vanity with these 2 towers, this beautiful herringbone marble, these undermount sinks, wall-mounted fixtures. Guys, I love it. I wanted to create a spa-like look. But the neatest thing about this entire bathroom, the most questions I get about all the time, is our shower. So what I wanted to do, first thing when this was a sitting room, is it actually used to have 2 little built-ins and a bench and a big picture window. So obviously you don't want a big picture window in this massive shower. So we closed it off and we added the same herringbone tile here with a marble border and basically just mirrored each side. And the reason I wanted to do this is where you guys are standing is what the view would look like if you're standing in our master bedroom. So it creates a pretty artwork type piece to the bathroom. So on each side we have these 12-inch shower heads and then these hand wands to spray yourself off with. And then we built in these two little nooks. Now these house our shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and they have a bench on either side. Now coming out of the shower, over here we added in these different blinds to kind of create privacy. So if we don't want anybody looking in here, all we have to do is close it, or we can leave it open to get a lot of natural light. Now what we're doing over here is going in, and this is going to be a future project coming to my channel. I bought this antique pie safe that is so pretty, so we're going to refinish it, bring it in here, and it's going to store all of our tags. Alright guys, as you're walking out of our master bedroom, come on in and let's show you our son's room. Now what we wanted to do in here is create a 1920s, 1930s kind of sports theme, as well as bring in some fun flares of antiques and actual new pieces of furniture. So what we did is kind of create like a gallery of cute antiques, as well as coming in with new modern type stuff. We have some metal, which is more of a industrial look, and the accent brick, which we found behind the wall. That was actually already there, that's not fake. And we put up this shiplap wall. Now what used to be right here is a set of French doors going into the next bedroom, but to give the bedrooms more privacy, we decided just to go ahead and close it off. Now spinning around from there, we have his closet, which is right here, is a standard size closet. Coming around through here. Now behind me, this used to be a door going into our bedroom, which is now a closet. This is where we sealed it off, but that's pretty much the transformation of this. Don't forget, I'm going to make another video showing you guys where all these awesome products came from. Alright, so coming into our last bedroom, this is our guest bedroom. So what we wanted to do is create like a bed and breakfast type look. Now this room isn't 100% completed as far as decor, but that would be something fun to do with you guys here on YouTube. So if you look over here on my left, this is where the French doors used to be in our son's room. So what we decided to do is obviously close it off and add another shiplap accent wall. And coming around over here, well, this is a fun piece that we got from New Orleans. So this is an actual mantle out of probably a shotgun style home out of New Orleans, and we just refinished it and created this faux looking fireplace. So we added in this shiplap, added this fireplace. This is some leftover tile from our laundry room, and it just makes a fun little accent style type piece. Now guys, this is something else I wanted to show you. If you're looking for a way to create DIY draw cloth curtains, I just put these up the other day, and this is a video on my YouTube channel. I'll link it up above. Make sure to check it out. It is so simple, quick, and easy to recreate this look. Coming into this bathroom, this is the original bathroom in the home, and so what we wanted to do is keep the exact same floor print as before because it is a small room. Now we kept some of the original features like the tub, but we actually had to update the sink area. It was a pedestal sink, but it was actually rusted all the way through, so there was no way to really reuse it. Like the rust spot was like that big. It was kind of big. I don't know how it was functional. So what we did is did the same exact look that we did in the master, but half of it. So this is basically one half of our master. It's the same fixtures as everything else. Now this is the original tub. We had it refinished, and then we added in all of this beautiful subway tile. Now in here we did like this exposed shower system as far as in a faucet system for the tub as well. Now I have a really cool piece that I ordered from Antique Farmhouse. It is not here yet, but we're gonna mount it right here. You guys, it's gonna look super, super, super cute. We still have to add in a whole bunch of decor in this room, and then the toilet is over here off in the corner, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this little bitty bathroom. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you inspiration. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of our house, the different transformation. Let me know what your favorite thing was. If you enjoyed this video, like normal, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. And until next time, bye guys!